a moral decision maker. Of course, I stand up against injustice.
Hoy, Spanish! Pwede mo nga homework namin? Do it right now. Ang dami mong excuses! Nung nakaraan, hindi mo nang ginawa. Ito mo yung ginagawa mo. Yan, para wala nasa kulang ko.
Hey, please stop harassing our reader.
So what? Malahimik ka dyan.
Di kayo titigil or susumbong kayo sa prof natin.
Takot ka sa prof niyo.
I'm a moral decision maker. Of course, I return lost things.
I'm a moral decision maker. Of course, I help those in need. Ay, hello po, friend po. Sana po itong envelope na to ay makatulong po sa inyo po sa party nito.
Thank you very much, Miss. Makatulong to sa mga taong nangangailangan. Lalo na sa
Pasensya na rin po pala kayo kung ito lang po yung nabili ko. Sana po makatulong po yan sa akin.
okay lang, kahit anong halaga, basta makatulong to sa mga taong nangangailangan.
Ito po.
I'm a moral decision maker. Of course, integrity is my goal. Watching my colleague cheat, my stand is clear.
Class, I'll just go to the bathroom ha. Continue your homework. Jonah, can I talk to you for a second? I'll wait for you outside.
I'm a moral decision maker, of course, taking advantage of someone's vulnerability is wrong. Offering help and building genuine connection is the good decision.
I'm a moral decision maker. Of course, I give back to my community.
Moral decision maker. Of course, I always think my consequences to my action first.
I'm a moral decision maker, of course, taking credit for someone else's work might go unnoticed, but it's dishonest. Giving credit to the owner is the good way.
I'm a moral decision maker. Of course, gossiping might seem harmless, but it can be hurtful.
I'm a moral decision maker, of course, bribery might seem like a shortcut, but It's a slippery slope. Upholding fairness and working hard for success is the hallmark of the good decision.
I'm a moral decision maker. Of course, I will always choose the right way so I can pass my exams.
That's all for today on Moral Dilemmas in Ethics. Remember, these aren't easy questions and rarely are clear-cut answers. The important thing is to grapple with the issues, consider the different perspectives, and strive to make the best decision you can in the face of difficult choices. Remember, ethics are constantly evolving as our world changes. So critical thinking and open-mindedness are essential tools in navigating these complex challenges. Thanks for watching us on this exploration of moral dilemmas.